In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Facebook app from Google Play Store. So if you have been trying to install this app but you are encountering this error, then let me show you how you can fix it. If this helps, please like and subscribe. All right, to do this, first go ahead and open your Play Store, and before you search, make sure you are logged in with your Google account or your Gmail account. Then go ahead and search for Facebook app. However, if you are doing this while logged in, then you need to go ahead and just press or tap on your email icon, and from here scroll down to settings. From settings, look for the option called network preferences, and if you tap on it, you should see quite a number of options such as app download preference, auto update apps, and auto play videos option. From this, choose app download preference, and under this, choose the first option over any network. This will make sure that you are able to install apps using any network that you are connected to. So go ahead and tap OK to save the changes. Once this is done, now you can go ahead, search for your Facebook app and see if you are able to install it. But should you still find a challenge installing this even after following these steps, then you need to go ahead and look for your Play Store app, and then go ahead and access its app info page. To access Play Store app info page, just long press on Play Store and you should see app info. However, if you can't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the app name. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be taken to Google Play Store app information page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see now a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is these cache files. When these files accumulate, this might cause your Play Store to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. From here, start your smartphone and go ahead and open your app and search for your app. So I'll search for Facebook, and then using the search bar here, I'll be taken to Facebook here. Tap on it and try now to install it. At this point, now everything should be okay and you should be able to install or download your Facebook app. As you can see, my app is being installed. So by following any of these steps, you should be able to download and install Facebook app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.